Battle voice. Change strategy.
Good.
You can hit me if you want to, it won't kill me.
I'm not all about it.
I'd just rather not get hit by 2 of them.
Yeah.
What about 3 of them? You know?
Me and Jake figured out last night we can hit each other with one.
Yeah. As long as
We're top.
hurts a little bit, but what doesn't hurt when you're DPS, you know?
I don't know.
Especially if you're small like me.
Doing big dick damage, that's what doesn't hurt when you're DPS.
20 still stuck?
You don't think it hurts to shove this big dick around?
maybe my lower back. Personally speaking, I mean.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Color.
Asylum in 5. And 5.
Yeah, sure life still right.
That's a good question.
Calculated. It's bubble.
Because I like to live on the edge.
Change strategy.
Away from this one.
Shit.
Pop down. Knock back, don't get bullied.
I love that.
I hate those all those little bats appear on the fucking aggro list and I can't see the bats now.
Grid Admiral. Wouldn't it? Battle voice.
It's gonna be on the east side.
2, 1.
5 seconds high. 2, 1. Doctor.
Change strategy.
You pre-full potted, it's up in 5.
That's your thing.
Yeah, I don't know why we pre-full pop. They're like, it's the best thing to do. And I'm like, whatever you say. Because you're also saying that we should single slot a bunch of shit, which we have never done before. But you know what? I didn't sit there with my damn notepad for 8 hours. You did.
Leave the notepads alone.
Yeah.
No bully. And
And
Although I don't take notes like that. I just take notes so I don't forget shit. I know that.
They apparently had like a full ass like crazy ass Microsoft Excel spreadsheet where you can like simulate exactly how much DPS you should be doing given your stats. So they know what they're doing. So
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That works. What? Element.
Knock back.
knock back, don't get bullied.
Battle voice.
Blind 5 seconds.
Stacking 5.
Chain stratagem.
40, 35 on next player.
Crit head low.
Whee! I'm glad I put Benison up. Jesus. 20.
2 points. Go.
Okay. I'll put a regen for her. 15?
How much time on player?
10?
10.
5 on eyes.
3, 2, 1.
Partners.
Sorry if that's out of your range, Jake.
It's I don't fucking care, dude. I'm going for the cleave.
Spots?
Pizza.
Whee!
I have nothing with me.
I have
I'll
nothing.
be in about a minute.
I'm gonna do this. Okay. Haven't used it yet. Okay.
Thank you.
Could have definitely LB'd there.
Well, no, and then a really bad DPS loss from my rotation. Because I have like 8 things that just came up. And they're about to go down in a minute.
Got it already. Big damage. I know how.
Chaos out.
Sides.
Chain stratagem.
In.
Sides in and pizza.
This
Oh.
fight's so fucking sick, dude.
Mm-hmm.
At least it doesn't give
In.
you 3 damage down.
Spots.
Spots.
Sides.
Bro.
Oh god. Oh,
Eee, I hate these things so much. Go away.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna put a Medica too.
You ate it.
I did.
Asylum down.
Battle voice.
That guy saved me.
Hit.
Spots. And then side. And then dodge.
Go into your corner, Dark.
I'm going in my fucking corner.
It's cozy.
I don't have a. I'm trying to. Oh
Let's get
shit.
your corner fucking suck
Bad.
if you could diabolic stack over there.
Heal.
What hit it again?
We're good, we're good. I got wings. Wings are gonna go up since it's only 2% left.
Deploying Atlo here.
Okay. GG, kill it.
Yeah.
Oh, 500 health. 500 fucking health.
Fine.
I had 500 fucking health. Are you kidding me?
GG.
Dude, easy clap.
GG.
I get
Who
6K?
said we weren't
Tia
gonna
did
clear
4.6?
it tonight, you naysayer?
You nagger.
You fucking weenie.
Thank you, we ain't gonna clear tonight.
If you guys have been through what I've been through today,
You think I'm a pug?
all of us,
you
though,
think
all-
I'm a pug?
Talk about Square Enix.
Shit.
Okay,
balance,
who's
though.
getting what? Who
All of
is
us
buying a
did 12K
tombstone weapon?
DPS, plus or minus like 100.
Which DPS is
Wait, who did the
actually?
most though?
They-
Dark at 7.4 mil.
Well,
total.
Dark, Kupo, and Jake. I mean, you guys are all at
we were
12K.
all within 300.
Let's just all roll for the tombstone. Whoever gets it. Gets
Yeah. All right, everyone pass it.
I'm not buying the fucking weapon from that.
Yeah, I don't need to do that. I'm passing on.
Buying the fucking weapon.
it. I actually fucking
Get
know
him,
what
Nancy.
stats are.
I'm
What do they
gonna
call
pass.
it?
I'm gonna
Thank
pass
you.
on them, 'cause I'm not buying one. I'm gonna clear it before I clear it.
All the
Great,
schmooze.
here, let me look at the stats.
The Eating Grace weapon is better for warrior at least than the tome one.
I'm gonna roll on my hand. and
Passed it.
Nobody can use the coat till like a few weeks from now.
The coach is for accessories, so you can
Yeah,
actually
it's
use it this
accessories.
week.
Can't use
What's it called? Dark. What's the tome shit called?
Why
Dark
don't we
Shadow?
give-
this week.
Yeah,
you
dark.
You can't use it this week because you need to buy a chest or a pants this week.
Yeah.
You can't use
It's
it
called.
this week.
Wait, what's it
Or
called? Dark
next
Shadow?
week.
I believe so.
Alright, I'm
So
not
just-
gonna roll on the head because it's
So for
back.
the accessory upgrade thing, everyone roll on it.
Yeah, we'll go into 3 for a little
Whatever,
bit.
I'll just roll on everything.
Probably mostly
Just do
maybe
whatever I
30
get.
minutes, but yeah.
You get what you get.
DPS roll on the head and the hands, but
I'm not-
everyone. I think
I'm not
everyone,
rolling.
Everyone
I'm not
roll on the
with it.
coat?
everyone roll on the coat.
Okay.
The tombstone thing, yeah.
I passed the tombstone thing, but if you need it, go for it. 'Cause I don't even know what I need.
We can't upgrade any accessories until
Okay.
it's free.
Then
It
DPS.
would have been nice to know I could roll on the coat. What the fuck?
Oh, we're still talking about it, really?
I can't
Well,
fucking find a wiki link to the
Well,
spear.
that's
to see
okay.
if
For
it's
the first
actually
2
good.
weeks, it doesn't matter who gets the code anyway.
Well, I was
You
gonna say, I
have-
mean, for the most part, we pretty much decided give everything to the DPS anyway.
I'm not.
Fucking pass on.
Unless they
everything.
don't, unless they can't use it.
Yeah. I mean, nobody can use the code for the first 2 weeks, so.
Jake, do you have an Areale link? I can give it to you.
Do I have a what link?
Just use this website has all of the gear pieces.
Okay.
Just
Yeah,
go.
show them the wiki thing.
We built
Just use
it.
Areale. I do. Okay, so I passed on the head. 'Cause it's trash. It has spells.
Well, you. But it's an upgrade though.
Yeah, it's an
You
upgrade
don't
for
have
your
a head.
accessory.
You won't have a head for till week 3,
So-
so.
Yeah, but
now,
I would
it's
rather
an
not
upgrade.
roll on it. I'd rather not roll on it only to know I'm gonna replace it a couple weeks from now when someone else can roll on it and not replace it.
It's alright, I passed
that's pointless.
everything.
It's pointless if I'm gonna replace it in 2 weeks when someone else has their best in slot.